Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we have an interesting announcement. Now, as many of you guys know, we've had our Blunami app available for the iPhone, iPads for a while since the initial announcement. Now, we have not had an Android supported product yet, and this is something that we've been diligently working on, trying to get ready so that we can release the full product when it's ready to go. Now, through an unfortunate or fortunate, depending on your perspective, error, the beta version of the app is actually now available on the Google Play Store. Now you can download the Blunami app on your Google Play Store device on your Android device right now. Just remember that there are some certain limitations because this is still a beta version. You can only operate one locomotive, but you do have full access to all of the menus, all of the settings, everything that you can want to do inside your locomotive. Just you cannot run more than one locomotive at a time, and of course consisting and multi-train and speed matching, things like that, are not actually in the app yet. These are some of the modules they're working on to try to finish it, but unfortunately they haven't gotten it done. But like I said, due to an fortunate error, it's actually available on the Play Store. So for those of you guys who've been waiting for the Android app, it is available on our Google Play Store, so you can download it right now. Now, here in my hand, I have Norman's cell phone, and so when we get done this, we're gonna make some prank calls. But we have our Blunami version of the app open, and you can see I'm connected to my Amtrak P42. And we're going to go ahead and open that locomotive up. And you can see that we have our normal screen right here. And you should be able to see this screen up here or over here or wherever we put it when the final edit. But we have our full access to all of our functions. So we push the function button down on the bottom. We're going to push the F8 and unmute our locomotive. We have our full access, we have our direction switch, and then we have our throttle that we can actually run our locomotive with. And then, as I mentioned, we have our access to our functions 15 through 28, all the way through here. Now, some of the advantages, we've got our gear setting down here up below. And we've got our regular full setting menu where we can go in and make our general settings. This is where we can rename the locomotive, set the address, things like that. We have our sound settings where, of course, we have our master volume settings, and we can go in here and we can change it with a slider bar. And you can instantly hear that change the volume as it's increased or decreased. And all of our settings are here, so when we go in here to main sounds, you can see that we can actually, we're going to change the horn from a Nathan K5LA to a K3HL, so you can instantly hear that change, so you can decide if that's the right horn for you. So all of this is available right now. You can download this now. And as future versions of this are released with more functions, you'll get notified of updates when they're available. So now we're going to go ahead and mute our locomotive. So guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. Like I said, it is a great error, but it's a fun error, but it also just lets you know that there is some limitations, so don't get upset if it's not there. It's coming. We're working on it. So for more information, please visit our website. Check out the user's guides for the Blunami as well as the Tsunami 2 and Econami or whatever product you need. Be sure to check out our past videos on Blunami because all the features that are built into the Apple version of the app are now available in the Android. They're just maybe a little bit slightly looked different. So be sure to check those out, see what you can do with it, and then check it out in the Android app. And then if you have any questions or need any further assistance, contact us at support@soundtraxx.com. We'll be happy to help. Now guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Now, let's see who we can call.